To increase sales overnight, there are many marketing strategies you can use, but with the 3 easy-to-use digital marketing strategies I'm going to reveal in this video, you will not only increase your sales and revenue, but the net profit. And the best part is that they don't require investing in paid ads. These strategies are totally free of cost, and only one of them requires a little of your time, but it is worth it. Let's analyze them together. My name is Max Cecco, and I help you become a high-paid infopreneur. It means selling your expertise or someone else's knowledge to help people solve their problems. On YouTube, I share my 12-year knowledge and experience helping professionals and small business owners create their personal brand online and sell information products and services. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, I suggest you subscribe right now and turn the notification on. If you tap on the like button, you will contribute to spreading my message to people like you, so thank you. Strategy number 1. Create a bump offer. The question is, what is a bump offer? A bump offer is a special offer you introduce to your prospects when they are buying one of your products or services. In a nutshell, an order bump is a way to add an additional product to the checkout page. The order bump offer is presented directly on the checkout page, and with a single click, the customer can add the additional product to their purchase. As you can see from the image on this video, this offer is normally introduced within a box highlighted in a defined color. Inside the box, there is a brief description of the offer that the customer can accept by flagging the square before making the final payment. Obviously, you have to be persuasive and compelling enough to push your client to accept your offer. Your copywriting capabilities and abilities are demanded. As I told you multiple times, copywriting is everywhere, and especially in presenting the bump offers, copy is crucial. Now, the question is this. What can you sell in the bump offer, and why is it extremely powerful? First of all, you can practically sell whatever you want. For example, think about your customer journey and ask yourself what your customers need once they buy the first product or service. You can create a special product and make it available only on the checkout page and only when your customers buy the main product. In this specific case, your bump offer becomes a sort of one-time offer. If your clients refuse this offer, they will never have a second chance to buy it. We are using a psychological motivator called urgency. Keep in mind that you can even offer a complementary product or service that you normally sell in your store, but with a discount. The possibilities are endless. Bump offers are easy to implement and they allow you to increase the average order value. And that's it. Strategy number 2. Create a bundle. What is a bundle? Bundling usually consists of giving consumers an option to buy a set of items together as a package at a lower price than what they would pay to buy them all individually, in a process known as mixed bundling. In other words, a bundle offer allows you to group together 2 or more products, physical or digital or a mix of them, and sell them as a single unit for one price. But let me be very clear. I'm not a fan of making discounts, and I highly urge you not to make discounts a habit for your prospects and clients. This is very important, otherwise they will wait to buy from you because they know your discount strategy. So, the question is, how can you create a bundle offer to increase sales and your net profit overnight? Let me give you an example. Let's suppose you have a mailing list of prospects, aka potential clients, that didn't buy anything from you, but they are on your email list because they were interested in your message. I mean, say, they subscribed to your list because they have been attracted and interested in fixing a problem you have mentioned. In this case, you can consider creating a special bundle offer, products or services, and send this special offer to a specific segment of your email list that hasn't invested money to buy something from you yet. You can group the 2 most sold products from your store and sell them for a limited time only, for example 1 week or 4 days, and even on a special occasion. As a matter of fact, you can increase sales overnight with this simple strategy, and it costs you anything. Before introducing the third and last strategy, I want to tell you one important thing. Do not cheat on your clients. So, when you create this bundle, Please remove some special bonuses from your offer, especially if you sell digital products or services, just to create a different product, a different version of the same product if compared with the first one your clients have bought. Always think about people that have already bought your products previously at their full price. Do not forget it. Strategy number 3. Create a partnership. What is a partnership? A partnership is a commercial agreement between two or more people. For instance, you can partner with another professional or business owner who serves your same target audience but with different products or services. Obviously, clients and prospects are essential in a partnership, and your main goal is always to satisfy the client's needs. Do not forget it. Just to give you some ideas, by establishing a partnership, you create profits from nothing, sometimes at zero or minimum costs. Indeed, you can offer your products or services to the client's list of your partner. You can sponsor products or services of your partner to your client's database. You can even start selling new products and services created from scratch with your partner, as I did multiple times in my 12-year experience in marketing. Thanks to a joint venture, you will get additional hidden benefits that sometimes you don't properly consider. Let me explain it better. You should not think about a partnership just to increase sales overnight, but thanks to a joint venture, your business will grow internally first. Number 1, you're getting new clients for your company at zero costs. Number 2, after the partnership, you can sell additional products or services to these new clients, and by doing so, you have just increased the lifetime value of your client. I mean, say, the amount of money a single client can invest in your company. At the same time, your business can grow externally for 3 specific reasons. 1, you are giving your brand more exposure. 2, thanks to this exposure, you can establish new partnerships with someone else. And 3, if you create a partnership with someone that is more famous than you instantly gain more credibility. Partnerships are one of the best ways to increase your revenue and net profits, even if you start from scratch. The possibilities are endless once you have mastered this way of thinking. By expanding your mind, you will be able to see new business opportunities that you couldn't have seen before. In a partnership, split profits 50% is not always the best solution. This is why learning how to negotiate a partnership deal is fundamental. And for this reason, I highly urge you to watch this video. 5 strategies to negotiate a partnership business in 2022. I shared 4 variables that you should consider to define the correct percentage and 5 partnership deals you should master right now. Watch it now.